Have you ever stopped to listen? A plane passing in the sky, the quiet breeze over a lake, the sound of footsteps on a walkway, voices and noises from a busy street. These sounds are all around us, every moment, every day. But have you ever wondered how we actually hear them? Let's find out.
Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how can we hear sounds? Today we are going to discover how human hearing works. Hearing is one of our 5 human senses. It's essential for communication, safety, and enjoying the world. Well, let's begin with the first part.
Let's talk about what is sound. Sound is created when something moving or vibrating. We can get sound easily from every part of our daily life. For example, by just clapping hands and knocking on the table. So, how does the sound travel? Sounds travel through the air and carried by the particles. Hence, when something moving quickly or vibrating, the sounds will be created.
Let's explore how our ears catch those sounds and help us hear. Our ears are complex organs responsible for detecting and processing sound. And they are divided into 3 main sections: outer, middle, and the inner ear. Each part plays a vital role in hearing. The outer ear, which includes the visible part of the ear, and the ear canal, is responsible for capturing sound waves from the environment. These sound waves are funneled through the ear canal and directed toward the eardrum. When the sound waves reach the eardrum, they cause it to vibrate. These vibrations are then transmitted to the middle ear, where 3 tiny bones called the ossicles, the malleus, incus, and stapes work together to amplify the sound. The stapes, the smallest bone in the human body, pushes on the oval window, a membrane that leads into the inner ear.
The inner ears contain the cochlea, a spiral-shaped fluid-filled structure that resembles a snail shell. As the vibration reaches the cochlea, they create waves in the fluid inside it. These waves stimulate thousands of tiny hair cells lining the cochlea. Different hair cells respond to different frequencies of sound, allowing us to distinguish between high-pitched and low-pitched sound. When the hair cells are stimulated by the movement of the fluid, they convert the mechanical energy of the wave into electrical signal. These electrical impulses are then sent to the brain by the auditory nerve. Finally, the brain processes and interprets these signals, allowing us to recognize, differentiate, and understand a wide variety of sounds, from speech and music to environmental noise.
Our ears are very sensitive and need to be protected. Loud noises like loud music, construction sounds, or car horn can hurt our ears. So, how can we protect our ears? First, when we are using headphones, we need to keep the volume low. Also, we can also wear ear protection like earplugs in noisy places.
What is the auditory range? It is the range of frequencies that a person or animal can hear. Different species have varying abilities to hear sounds, depending on the frequency of the sound wave. As we age, the ability to hear high frequency often decreases.
Did you know that humans can hear sounds from 20 to 20,000 Hz? This means we can hear both low and high sound, but not all sound. Animals can hear sounds that we can't. For example, dog can hear much higher sounds, so they will respond to the dog whistles that we don't hear.
Many animals have different auditory ranges than humans. often adapted to their environments and communication needs. Some hear super high sound, some super low, and some, like us, fall somewhere in the middle. Sperm whales can hear sounds from as low as 0.1 Hz to 30,000 Hz, allowing them to communicate and navigate in the deep ocean. Lions have excellent hearing and can detect sounds from 35 Hz up to 50,000 Hz, which helps them track prey. Bats have impressive hearing range from about 20,000 Hz up to 120,000 Hz, which helps them use echolocations to navigate and hunt insects in the dark. Howler monkeys hear between 300 Hz and 5,000 Hz, allowing them to communicate loudly through thick forest canopies.
Now, let us do a quick experiment.
Close your eyes and ask your friends to clap hands somewhere around you. Can you tell where the sound are coming from? Now, let's do it again.
That is our ear and brain works together to find the direction of the sound. Hearing is more than just perceiving sound. It is how we connect with the world around us. So, next time you heard a melody, laughter, or even silence, take a moment to appreciate it. Because hearing doesn't just let us listen, it helps us to feel the world.